part 2 of WordPress tutorials. In this part I'm gonna show you how to change WordPress theme. Before moving ahead, let's first run Apache and MySQL services. So double click XAMPP control panel, Apache start, MySQL start. Now open any browser. Let's first see which is the default theme. So here's the default theme. I'm going to change this theme. So I have to go into the dashboard of WordPress. Type here localhost wp/wp-admin. Type username, password, login. Here's the WordPress dashboard. It contains various parts which we will discuss in later sections, but for now, in order to change WordPress theme, go to appearance and click themes. This is the list of pre-installed themes, and if we install other themes, they will appear here. If you have installed so many themes, you can search any theme by typing keyword here in this search box. Now if you want to add more themes, just click add new. But if you want just change from here, how we can change the theme? Activate. Click activate in order to change theme. Now this theme is active. 2016 theme is active. Now to see the changes, go to your site and refresh it. Press Ctrl F5. You can see here theme has been changed. Now if you want to add more themes, click add new, or also you can click this plus button. As you add new themes, they will appear here. So click on add new. This is the upload theme button. Through this button you can upload a theme which you have already into your computer. If we go down, you can notice here some themes contain activate button. The theme which contain activate button is actually already installed. You can see here this theme is installed and this is not installed. So in order to install it, click install. Okay, this theme has installed. You can see here instead of install button, here's the activate button. Let's install some other themes. Install, 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 install. Now we have installed some themes. If we go back and see the list of installed themes, you can see more themes are added here which we installed. Here you can see themes which we have installed through add new button. You can activate any theme from here. Suppose I want magazine, just activate it. Open your site and press Ctrl F5 in order to refresh. Here you can see the theme has changed. Now click add new and see more options. You can see here there are some categories of themes: featured, popular, latest, and you can also click feature filter to search any type of category. Suppose I want themes regarding blog, news, and custom backgrounds and grid layout. Just apply filters. Themes will appear which matches these filters. You can see here these themes matches with blog, news, custom color, filters. You can also install these themes, and you can see here filter by added. Also you can edit filters through edit filters button, or you can type here search keyword. Suppose I wanna theme for my education purpose. Type education, enter. Now education related themes has appeared. You can also choose from these themes also. If you want to upload a theme, just click upload theme, choose file and click install now. Theme will be installed.